Hey guys, we're heading to to Joplin today, Joplin, Missouri, to the Two Friends and Junk, like an antique mall, something like that they hold once or twice a year. And we probably won't buy anything because normally at these things everything's already done, and we like to get things that are like rusty and not done at all. So I doubt we buy anything, but it's good inspiration for us. So see you there.
Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in wonder.
Okay, we got done shopping at the Two Friends and Junk Market. And even though we didn't buy anything, we did have fun. So that was the most important thing. Maybe next year we can find something. They had a lot of good stuff there. And like I said, we enjoyed it. Some of the things that they had, or most of the things actually, was already done. And so we like to look for the junkier stuff, the stuff that's not done at all. Things that we can repurpose or reuse for ourselves. So that's why we didn't really buy anything this time. But they had a lot of good things, and it'd be well worth your time if you're around that area to just stop in and have a look. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Coming true.